Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change name on PDF file, only ways. Open your PDF in an editor with text and metadata tools, then back up the file. Locate Document Metadata and update the title and author fields. Use the Text Edit tool to replace visible names on pages. Save with a new file name and export a flattened copy to lock changes and prevent accidental edits later. Open the File Properties or Metadata panel in your PDF editor and locate title, author, subject, and keywords. Replace any old name entries with the new name exactly as you want them to appear. Apply changes and confirm by closing and reopening the file properties. If your editor supports batch metadata edits, you can update multiple PDFs at once, which saves time when renaming many documents quickly and consistently. In this video, I will show how to change name on PDF file, only ways. Quick recommendation. If you want comfort between editing marathons, pick Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for durability and no fuss. They feel great and last through long work sessions, so your toes stay happy while you rename PDFs. If you want the link and deals, check the description below, and now let's get back to the video. Switch to the editor's text or content editing mode and find each visible instance of the old name. Replace text carefully, preserving fonts and spacing, and adjust layout if needed to avoid line breaks. For scanned documents, perform OCR first, then repeat the text edits. After all replacements, review each page, save as a new file name, and export a flattened or PDF/a version to lock in the changes for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.